Welcome to a chilly January morning. I'm out today to test something out, following a comment I received. I happened to mention in my last video that there were some things I like and I don't like about these Fire Dragon tablets. I like the fact that they're convenient, I don't like the fact that they're expensive, and I don't like the fact that when you light them they burn, they give you a massive amount of uncontrollable heat. So somebody kindly suggested to me that I try cutting these in half. So I thought I'd bring you out today and we'll try it and we'll see if it's effective or not. As I've modified this, I'm going to use a Vaseline tin to put in half of one of the Fire Dragon cubes. I've also got this, which is a piece of aluminium with a bit of building material, and that's just to protect the surface from burning. I do know that once you open these they evaporate, so I'll be using it quite quickly. Oh, that was nice and easy to cut. So that's half a fuel tablet. Let's see how well he burns. See if we can control that a little bit better. I've got enough water in there for a cup of tea and then I'll get on with some lunch. Well, as you can see from that, it's been 3 minutes. It's going beautifully. That heat's getting concentrated. Using half a tablet, there's far less heat loss. I do know that these evaporate once you've opened them up. So with the lid on there, holding that down, that should prevent that for now. What are we at? 5 minutes 40. We're still going. If I can take this off. Nearly got a boil. Oh, he's just gone. So 6 minutes for a half a fuel tablet. That was actually not bad. That's hot enough for a drink. Next I'm going for a boil in the bag tofu curry. It says immerse the pouch in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Well, we got some water to boil and we got some extra fuel tablets and I'm loaded up. Let's do this. Got to the stage now he's just about to go out. See if I can get one of these in without setting fire to my fingers. There we go. Darn, he's gone. I was hoping to slip the next one in. You've got to be careful with these. If you get it on your hands, could set fire to yourself. These are slimy little bits. Big shout out to Andrew for the suggestion of just using half a block at a time. See if we can time it better this time. Lovely job. Let's get that boiling the bag in there. Who needs MREs when you got this sort of curry? I'm really impressed with these curries. They're made by a shocker. Strange name. But they've got a few varieties. You've seen me use these before. They're really nice, really authentic. And I believe they're made in India. Yeah, India. Manufactured by ADF Foods Limited in India. Very authentic. Lovely stuff. Whenever I go out cooking, I make some new friends. There he goes. Well, that last one's gone out. Tuck that in, I'll make a mess of myself. I'll tell you what, let's get you in there. Smells lovely. Looks just like it was on the packet. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed that. Apart from what I got down my jeans, it just looks wrong now, all that staining. Apologies to me partner when I put these in the wash. Overall, I'm super impressed with that little setup. Just a simple Vaseline tin. Obviously, you got all that residue there. Just put the lid on, and you'll store back inside the cooker. I'm going to get packed up now. Thanks very much for joining me on this cold and grey January morning. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. InfoShed out.